Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot with Google Contacts, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect HubSpot with Google Contacts, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the Integrations page, find the Connected Apps section. Click on Connect an App to begin the integration process. Look for Google in the list of available applications. Click on the Google option to proceed. You will be prompted to log in to your Google account. Enter your Google email and password, then click on Next. Once logged in, you may need to grant HubSpot permissions to access your Google Contacts. Review the permissions requested by HubSpot and click on Allow. After granting permissions, return to the HubSpot interface. Navigate to the Settings icon on the main dashboard. In the Settings menu, locate Contacts on the left sidebar. Within the Contacts section, look for Integration. You should see options for syncing with Google Contacts. Click on it. Choose how you want to sync your contacts, either one-way or two-way. If opting for two-way sync, ensure both platforms have matching contact properties. Set any additional preferences as needed for the integration. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to finalize your settings. Check the integration status to confirm that it is active. To verify successful syncing, navigate to your Google Contacts. You should now see your HubSpot contacts reflected in Google. Periodic checks are recommended to ensure the sync remains active and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.